Hello friends, welcome back to Hosted by Chrissy. Today is reveal day for the Container Garden Challenge. I'm co-hosting this challenge with my friends This and That with Denise Jordan, Measure and Mix, and Lacee Space. I have linked all of their channels down below in the description box. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I created this adorable container garden from items purchased at my local home improvement store and also from Dollar Tree. All participants were encouraged to create a container-style garden, either indoors or outdoors. It is still fairly cold in the evenings here in Michigan, so I did decide to do a container garden consisting of fresh herbs for my kitchen. I want to thank all of the participants, and I hope you enjoy the playlist that has been provided. Take care. For my planter, I've decided to use a tin planter from Dollar Tree. They have these in various designs. I have some satin finish Rust-Oleum spray paint, just some garden supplies, some snips from Dollar Tree, and also from Dollar Tree some all-purpose potting soil. This herb plant is a pineapple basil, and I also have some lemon thyme. I love to cook with fresh herbs and spices, and these are two of my favorites to use in the summertime. This planter will eventually be placed outside when our weather here in Michigan is consistently over 60 degrees in the evening, but until then it'll be placed on my windowsill.